Hello and welcome to another maths video with me, Abby the Maths Tutor. Today we're looking at a question which could appear on a GCSE paper either at foundation level or at higher level, and it's all to do with angles. There are a lot of different ways that you could approach this one. However, whatever you do, it's probably going to be a successful strategy to start off with labelling some angles that you know on the diagram. Before I get started on that, there's a few key words that it would be good to draw attention to. So here it says that this is a regular 12-sided polygon. Because it says it's regular, we know that all the angles inside that shape are going to be the same size. They've not drawn all 12 sides on. There's no need. They've told us that it's a polygon with 12 sides. So first of all, what I'm going to do is 360 divided by 12 is 30 degrees, and that is going to be the exterior angle of this 12-sided polygon. Now we know that interior and exterior angles are going to add up to 180 degrees because they're on a straight line. If I just mark on the exterior for you, an exterior angle is what happens if you take the side, one of the sides, and extend it beyond the corner. So it would just go to there. So this is the 30-degree angle that I've just calculated. Now, because you can see the straight line there, we can also see that inside the shape here, we would have 150 degrees because we know that angles that are next to each other on a straight line are going to add up to 180 degrees. So if I've got 150 there, I've also got 150 degrees here. It's a square, so I know that inside here is 90 degrees. So the next thing I will do is I will just add up 150, add 90. I'll pop that over here. So 150, add 90 is going to be 240 degrees. All the way round a point will be 360. So I know I just need to do 360, take away 240, and I will have 120 degrees in the corner of this polygon. Now I've been told it's a regular polygon again, so I know it's going to be 120 all the way round. I'm not done just yet. The question asked me to show that this polygon is a hexagon. Now, I know just because it's one of those facts I've done lots of times and calculated it so much that the interior angle of a polygon is 120 degrees. However, it's not enough to do that. It's not enough to just state a fact that we know. We've been asked to show that it's a hexagon. That doesn't mean trying to draw in the rest of the shape. You're not going to get any marks at all for that. What we need to do is work out from scratch that if you've got a hexagon, then that interior angle will be 120 degrees. So I'm going to draw a hexagon down here. I don't need to draw this with perfect sides or perfect angles. I'm simply going to use this to show what the angle sum will be for a hexagon. So I split it. I just start from one corner and make sure that that corner is joined up to all the others. As you can see, I have got 4 triangles in here, and I know that in each triangle the angles would add up to 180. So I can write down 180 times 4 equals 720 degrees. And because it will have 6 interior angles, 720 degrees divided by 6 equals 120 degrees. I'd marked 120 degrees in polygon A up there. You can see that they're the same. Therefore, we know for certain now polygon A is a hexagon. We've done what they've asked. We've clearly reached the 120 degrees, both by calculating the missing angle up here and by working it out from a hexagon. Hope you liked that, and if you do, please do subscribe and keep coming back to check up on the page. I'll be building up a library of a mixture of easy maths questions and going through exam style questions both for GCSE foundation and for higher level for you. And over time we'll